Hey guys, hi, hello, namaste, adab, sat sri akal, assalamu alaikum, vanakkam and khammagani to all of you. Welcome to today's class, and today we are talking about arithmetic progression under your Sprint 10 series for ICSE 10th boards. Alright, so we'll be discussing all the different types of questions which are present in this exam, in this chapter, and all the questions which are very important for your exam point of view. Those kind of questions we are going to discuss today in today's class. Okay, so let us start the class. So this was your homework question for the previous topic, matrices. So let us discuss this. So what it is saying, solve for x and y. We need to multiply these two matrices and equate it with the second matrix. Okay, so first step, I will be multiplying these two matrices. All right, so if I multiply these two, what I have, 2 5 5 2 with x and y. So if I multiply, the rows will be multiplied with the columns. Okay, this is a matrix of order 2 by 2 multiplied with the matrix of order 2 by 1. So yes, multiplication is possible, and the answer will be a matrix of the order 2 by 1. That means 2 rows and 1 column. Alright, so let's multiply first row with the first column. So 2 into x is 2x plus 5 into y, and then 5x plus 2y. This is the resultant matrix. Now this resultant matrix is equal to minus 7, 14. So this 2x plus 5y upon 5x plus 2y, which is the multiplication of these two, is equal to minus 7 and 14. So from here I can clearly say we have 2x plus 5y is equal to minus 7 and 5x plus 2y is equal to 14. So this is a linear equation in two variable. I can choose to eliminate x also, or I can choose to eliminate y. Let us say I want to eliminate x. So multiply here with 5, multiply here with 2. So you will be getting 10x plus 25y is equal to minus 35, and here you will be getting 10x plus 2 into 2 is 4y is equal to 14 to the 28. Subtract, subtract, subtract. This to this got cancelled. 25 minus 4 if you will do, you will get 21y, and minus 35 minus 28, so 5 plus 8 is equal to 13 power 1, 3 plus minus 63. So y is equal to minus 63 by 21, which is y is equal to minus 3. Once I got to know that y is equal to minus 3, I can put this in any of the equation. Let's say I put it in the first equation, 2x plus 5y is equal to minus 7. Put y equal to minus 3 over here. 2x 5 into minus 3 is minus 15 is equal to minus 7. So 2x minus 15 shifted there will become plus 15. 15 minus 7 is equal to 8. So x is equal to 4. So the values for x and y are what? That's we have x equal to 4 and y equal to minus 3. Very easy. Alright. So we will multiply the matrices, and then we will see that we will do the equality of matrices. So from there we have got two equations, linear equation in two variables, and then we have solved it further to get the answer. Very easy, right? So these kind of questions like are coming for the higher marks, right? So like for 3 marks questions, these will come 4 marks, like that. So very important for all of you, these kind of questions in matrices. And matrices is a very easy topic. Don't leave the topic on any cost. Okay, very easy topic. Okay, I know first time it might be difficult for you to look at those brackets and how the multiplication is working, but once you understand the multiplication, it will be very easy topic for you. So multiplication of matrices is a very important part, and do go through that as well. Now talking about today's topic. So we will be talking about the arithmetic progression, nth term, sum of nth term, and all those related questions. So this is the schedule for your sprint series. So we are here, arithmetic progression. After that your coordinate geometry and all will be followed till probability. Alright. Then this is your physics schedule, this is chemistries, this is biology, SST and English. Alright. Now let us start on the good quote. If you are not willing to learn, no one can help you. But if you don't want to learn at all, if you're not willing at all, no one can help you, no matter what good amount of teacher I am getting, or what the best teacher in the world will come and teach you, but you are not going to learn anything. So if you are not willing to learn, no one can help you. And if you are determined to learn, agar tumhare andar hai, if you want to learn at any cost, no one can stop you. That means, but you have seen the many boys like our honorable ex Prime Minister Kalam Sahib. He hailed from a very small village, right? So this clearly shows, like, if you're determined to learn, no one can stop you, and that is a very important part. So always remember, there is no limitations on what you can do. Always challenge your limits and start working towards your main goal. All right, now let us start with the question. The first question is, if the pth term of an AP is 2p plus 3, find the AP. So pth term of an AP, that means suppose AP term is equal to 2p plus 3. So for different values of p, I will get the AP. So p, if p equal to 1, first term, or a1, let's write a term will be 2 into 1 plus 3, which is equal to 5. Okay. For p equal to 2, second term will be 2 into 2 plus 3, which is equal to 7. For p equal to 3, a3 will be equal to 2 into 3 plus 3, which is equal to 9. So we got to know the AP is 5, 7, 9, and so on. Right? So the first term is 5, common difference is 2, increasing AP. Simple question, nothing. Next question, check whether minus 150 is a term of this AP. Minus 150 is a term of this AP. So I can clearly say for this AP, sir, A is equal to 11 and D is equal to 8 minus 11, which is equal to minus 3. Remember, since it is decreasing AP, the common difference is negative. Now we want to check that whether minus 150 will be a part of this AP or not. So let's do one thing. Now let us say minus 150 is a part of this AP. Let's say if it is a part of this AP, we'll see at what place it is coming. Let's say AN is equal to minus 150. So I can say AN will be equal to A plus N minus 1 into D is equal to minus 150. Shift 11 over there. So N minus 1 into minus 3 is equal to 150 minus 150. And 11 also will become minus 11, so it will be equal to minus 161. So n minus 1 is equal to minus 161 by 3. Shift minus 1 over there, so n is equal to minus 161 by 3 plus 1, which is minus 161 plus 3 by 3. LCM I have taken. So n, you are getting it as 158 by 3, and you can clearly see this value is not a natural number. 158 by 3 if you will do, so it is not a natural number. 1 3 5s are, and then 3 2s are, so 26.6666. the answer will be, you are getting n as 26.66666 and so on. So not a natural number. And if it is not a natural number, we can clearly say that this is not a part of this AP. If suppose if I would have got n as 57, okay, or n is 27, anything, any natural number, then I can say okay, n is 27, that means 27th term is this number. But since it is showing n as a rational number in which n is not a natural number, since here n is not a natural number, I can say minus 150 is not a part of this AP because n is only a natural number. N is only a natural number. Alright, next go for the next question. Next question is this: which term of the AP 3, 15, 27, 39 will be 130 more than its 54th term? Okay, so they are saying which term of this AP, that is for this AP, always first write first term is equal to 3, common difference is equal to 15 minus 3, which is equal to 12. Alright, so which term of this AP will be 132 more than the 54th term? So which term? I don't know. Let's say nth term is 132 more than 54th term. Simple. So I can say it will be equal to A plus N minus 1 into D is equal to A plus 53D plus 132 is equal to, sorry, plus 132, not 1320, plus 132. But now I need to solve this equation. Now don't have to do anything. Now I have to just solve this equation. Okay. Now, so this A to A got cancelled. So we have left with here n minus 1 into D, and here we have 53D plus 132. Let's see what is the value of D. D is 12. So n minus 1 into 12 is equal to 53 into 12. If I do 12 3s are 36 power 3. Alright, and then 60 plus 3, 63 plus 132, right? So n minus 1 into 12 is equal to 6 plus 2, 8, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 1, 7. So n minus 1 is equal to 768 by 12. Okay, so 12 6 is 72, remainder 4, 12 4 is 48. Shift minus 1 over there, n is equal to 65. So I can clearly say 65th term of this AP by n was what? 65. So 65th term of this AP is 132 more than 54th term. So the correct answer, which term? 65th term, A65. Alright, now let's go for the next question. How many multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250? That means from the numbers 10 to 250, how many numbers of 4, how many multiples of 4 lie? Now better you know that all the multiples, they follow an AP. Suppose if I talk about the multiples of 4, so 4 8 4, 8, 12, 16, they all are following an AP, gap of 4. All the tables which you will learn by multiple means what? Tables, and they all follow an AP. So multiples of 4, if I start between 10 to 250, so I say the first number will be 12, then 16, then 20, then 24, this way. By at 250 where it will be. So let us divide 250 by 4. So if I divide 250 by 4, 4 6 are 24, subtract, you will get one remainder. I can say 4 2s are 8. So when you multiply 250 by 4, 2 is your remainder, 2 is extra. So from 250, if I subtract 2, I will get 248. That means 248 is a correct multiple. So it will stop at 248. So these many numbers I have. And you can clearly see it is following an AP where first term is equal to 12 and common difference is equal to 4. So we need to see how many numbers are there in this AP. So let us say there are n numbers. So 248 is the nth term. 248 is the nth term. Now if I find out the value of n, I will find out how many numbers are there. But it is first term, second term, third term, fourth term. So this way, whatever is this term, nth term, that many numbers are there in this AP. So A, which is 12, plus n minus 1 into D, which is equal to 4, is equal to 248. Shift it over there. So n minus 1 into 4 is equal to 236. So n minus 1 divided by 4. Shift 4 in division. So you can say 4 5s are 20, 4 9s are 36. Shift minus 1 over there, n is equal to 60. That means there are total 60 numbers which are divisible by 4 from the numbers 10 to 250. From numbers 10 to 250, because this 248 is nothing but 60th term. So if it is first term, then this is 60th term. So total there are 60 numbers. Total there are 60 numbers. Simple. Alright, now before I move ahead, I would like to tell you all a very important news beta. As you all know, right now at Vedantu, a great deal is going on where you are getting the price of the course at 50% off. And earlier it was supposed to be till 14th of February, but now it has been extended. So you can still register, you still have got chance. What are you going to get with Vedantu's Pro course? First thing first, unlimited, you will be able to attend as many classes as you want, unlimited live classes with amazing fun and high level quizzes, so that you can test your knowledge whatever you've studied in the class during the class only. Alright, after that you will be able to compete with the students all over the world, because as you know, the students will be from different backgrounds, different parts of the country, different parts of the world. So you will be able to see where do you stand. After that you'll be able to see the replay of the classes as well. Suppose if you want to revise any class, if you want to do the revision of any class, no need to be behind the teacher every time. You can just watch the session again and done with your revision. Also, you have an option to go for interactive replays. For example, let us say you missed a class. Now you are watching the replay. You want up the hook. But if you will be just watching a replay for a new class, you also want to participate in the quizzes and all, right? So there the interactive replays is going to come in picture, where even while watching the replay also, you will be able to participate in the quiz and you will get marks for it. And if you are doing good enough, your name will also be in the leaderboard as well. Alright, so that is an awesome thing over here. Then you can download the notes in the teacher's handwriting. Whatever I'm writing you will be able to get them as download as notes. Okay, also in your class, obviously our doubts will come, and we don't want that our students are left with any doubts. That is why you will be, during the class there will be one more teacher who will be taking care of all your doubts. Any doubts you are getting, you just have to ask, and the doubts will be cleared. All the doubts are going to clear. Other than that, Tests will be conducted in a regular amount of time. Assignments will be shared with you after each and every session. Okay, and there are 5,000 plus micro courses. Micro courses means small courses, topic wise courses. So they are available on the website, and all of them are going to be free of cost to you. If there is any crash courses coming, that also is going to be free of cost. Nothing is there where you have to pay something extra if you will be taking the pro course. Once you have got the pro course, all these features you are going to get under one roof, right? So as I have told you beta, this 50% off is still going on, and it is a limited period offer only, although it has been extended from 14th February for some more days, but it is in the limited period. So it should not be like, yeah, you miss, you will be planning by tomorrow, okay, tomorrow I will be taking the pro course, and today suppose if this deal gets over, it will be a loss on your side that you have to pay a bit more extra. So now is the time. And second thing, since the exams are very near, you also don't have a lot amount of time. So earlier you do, economically it is good for you, and exam wise also it is going to be good for you. So think carefully and do take your decision. Alright, so I will just like to show you better what you are going to do. See, clearly it is showing you, go to the link in the description box and the pinned comment. So suppose if you are opening YouTube, suppose this is your YouTube you have opened. So here in the description box, show more you have done. Now in the description box here you can see subscribe to Vedantu Pro now, and this link is given over here. Just click on this link. As soon as you have clicked on this link, it is showing you to select your grade, select grade 10th, then it is showing you to show your select your boards ICSE 2021. So here it is showing you the plan rupees 2699 per month, around 2700. But if you will apply the coupon code GPE Pro and click on apply, you can clearly see direct it is 50% off, 1349.5. This is again bit I'm telling you a limited time deal. Do subscribe to this as soon as possible, the minimum price right now. Alright, so once you are suppose enrolled, so this is how you are going to look, this is how your classes are going to look, this is how you will be able to see your schedule. Okay, this is the class here, this is the class here, and in the past classes, if you go say here upcoming and past, so if you go in the past, you will be able to see to click on, if you will click over here for get notes, you will be able to get the notes of what I have taught. You can see my own handwriting is shown over here, everything. Alright, also if you will come to over here replay, you can watch the replay of the class. If you want to attend the quizzes and all, click on this try alternate replay. Now you will be coming to your student interface, and here you will be able to see your options, attend the quizzes and everything. Alright, so all these features are available to you. Do subscribe to it. The GPE Pro is your code. GPE Pro is the code to get 50% off. Alright, now let's go for the next question. Which term of this AP 21, 18, 15 is minus 81? Also, is any term 0? So first let us find out which term is minus 81. So let us say AN is equal to minus 81. For this AP, first term is 21. Common difference is 18 minus 21, which is equal to minus 3. Always A2 minus A1. AP decreasing, so common difference is negative. So AN means A plus N minus 1 into D is equal to minus 81, right? So A is 21 plus N minus 1 into minus 3 is equal to minus 81. Shift 21 over there. N minus 1 into minus 3 is equal to minus 81 minus 21 will be equal to 1 plus 1 2 and minus 102. Alright, so I can say N minus 1 is equal to minus 102 upon minus 3. Negative to negative got cancelled. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. Shift minus 1 over there, N is equal to 35. So I can say this minus 81 is the 35th term. 35th term of this AP will be minus 81. Next question, is any term 0? Let us see. So let's put AN equal to 0. Alright, so I can say 21 plus N minus 1 into minus 3 is equal to 0. Shift it over there. So N minus 1 into minus 3 is equal to minus 21. Shift minus 3 in division. N minus 1 is minus 21 upon minus 3, which is equal to 7. So N is equal to minus 1 shifted there will become plus 1. So N is equal to 8. That means 8th term of this AP will be equal to 0. Easy. What else? Nothing. Alright. So this is how this question will also be solved. Easy questions, beta. Nothing to think much. Okay, next question देखो. The sum of the fifth and ninth term of an AP is 30. That means when you add the fifth term and the ninth term of an AP, that sum is 30. Also, if its 25th term is 3 times its 8th term, 25th term of this AP is 3 times of the 8th term, find the AP. So here they have not given us the common difference, they have not given us the first term, they have given us the relationship between different terms of this AP. So with these two different relations, I can get two equations and then I can solve those further to get the value of first term and common difference. And once I have got first term and common difference, or everything about this AP I can easily find out. So A5 I can write as A plus 4D, A9 I can write as A plus 8D is equal to 30. So here we have got 2A, 8 plus 4 is 12D is equal to 30. Alright, so if you take 2 common, A plus 6D and this 2 will go in division is equal to 50. Okay, this is your first equation. Okay sir. Here A25 is A plus 24D is equal to 3 times of A8. 8th term will be A plus 7D. Right? So A plus 24D is equal to 3A plus 21D. Shift it over there. So you will get 3A minus A is equal to 2A. 21 minus 24 is equal to minus 3D equal to 0. This is your second equation. So we have two equations. Alright. अरे यार 2A over here ना directly solve हो जाएगा. चलो direct solve कर सकते हैं. We can solve it directly. Let's not use it in this form. Keep it like this. Only 2A will get cancelled easily. Why to again multiply it with something? Right. So now we have these two equations. Let us use elimination method. So 2A plus 12D is equal to 30 and 2A minus 3D is equal to 0. So what I can do now? I can do the subtraction. So if I will subtract these equations, minus plus minus, 2A minus 2A got cancelled. 12 plus 3 is 15D is equal to 30. So you got D is equal to 30 by 15 too. Right? Common difference is 2. Put this value of common difference in any of the equations. Suppose over here. So you can say 2A minus 3 into D is what? 2 equal to 0. So 2A minus 6 equal to 0. 2A is equal to 6. So I can say A is equal to 3. So the first term is 3. Common difference is 2. So I can say AP is 3. 3 plus 2 5. 5 plus 2 7. 7 plus 2 9. 9 plus 2 11 and so on. This is your AP. See how this easy this question became after this. Right? See how easy this question became. So you just have to follow the question, what the question is trying to tell you. You will be able to get it very easily. Alright. So what we have got, the AP is 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on. Alright. Next question. The sum of the first 7 terms of an AP is 63. That means if you will add the first 7 terms, that means if you are adding A1 plus A2 plus A3, okay, like that. If you are adding, see what it is telling you, sum of the first 7 terms. Alright, that means your sum of the first 7 terms, S7, is equal to A1 plus A2 like this up to A7 is equal to what? 63. Alright, and the sum of the next 7 terms. Now see, it is telling next 7 terms. That means starting from A8, A9 up to the next 7 terms, so up to A14 is equal to, it is given as 161. Right? So they are saying find the 28th term of this AP. Now देखो बेटा, I know sum of the first 7 terms is equal to 63. So here I can use the formula, some formula, that is n by 2 into 2a plus 7 minus 1 is 6d. N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to, what is the sum of 7 terms? 63. Right? Some formula for this part. S7. So I can clearly say, sir, if I take 2 common, so 7 times of, if I take 2 common here over here, 7 by here, 7 by 2 into, take 2 common over here, you are left with 2a, sorry, if you are left with a plus 3d is equal to 63. So this to this got cancelled. So you are left with 7a, or you can shift 7 also in division. Better to shift 7 also in division. So now you will be left with 7 if I shift it in the division over there. So you are left with a plus 3d. 63 upon 7 is equal to 9. This is your first equation. Alright, this is your first equation. Let's go for the second part. Now see, I don't have any, I cannot use the same formula. Sir, 7 terms A8 to A14, 7 terms formula, add of 7 terms of 7 by 2 into 2A. Nahin. But whenever I use the sum formula, I always start from the first term till the nth term. I always start from the first term till the nth term. So beta dekho, if I add A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7 plus A8, A9, A10, A11, A12, A13, A14, I will get the sum of the first 14 terms. So I can say sum of 14 terms will be equal to sum of first 7 terms plus sum of next 7 terms. Yes or no? Right? If I add these two equations, I will get the sum from A1 to A14. So sum of 14 terms, I can write a sum of 14 terms, I can write it as 63 plus 161. So sum of 14 terms is equal to 3 plus 1 4, 6 plus 6 12, power 1 to 224. Alright, so let's use sum of 14 terms formula. So 14 by 2 into 2a plus 14 minus 1. 2a plus 14 minus 1 is 13d is equal to what it is? 224. 7s are, so you have got 2a plus 13d is equal to shift 7 in division. 7 3s are 21, 7 2s are 14. This is your second equation. Right? We have got our first equation, we have got our second equation. So let us use elimination method. So one is we have 2a plus 13d is equal to 32, and then we have a plus 3d is equal to 9. So this a plus 3d equal to 9, if I have to eliminate a, I will have to multiply this with 2. So it will become 2a plus 6d is equal to 18. Now subtract both the equations. Minus, minus, minus. This got cancelled. 13 minus 6 is 7d, and 32 minus 18. 12 minus 8 will be equal to 4. Here one 14. Right? So d is equal to 2. If d is equal to 2, let's say put this in this equation. A plus 3 into 2 is equal to 9. So 3 to the 6. So a is equal to 3. So first term is 3. Common difference is 2. What they are asking? 28th term. So I can clearly say 28th term is a plus 28 minus 1, 27d. So 3 plus 27 into 2, which is 3 plus 54, which means 28th term is 57. 28th term is what? 57. Alright. So this is how this question will be solved. So whatever the question is telling me, I have kept doing that, started making equations, and most of the times I have to focus on getting the first term and the common difference, and you will be able to get your answer. Alright beta, so this is how this part, these are the questions which are important in this part. Now this is one question which is very important, so that I am giving you for your homework. Do let me know what will be your answer in the comment section below. Okay, SN is given in terms of N, and you have to find out what is the AP and the 12th term. Alright, so let me know how many of you will be able to understand this question. The next topic is going to be coordinate geometry. Alright beta, so the link is mentioned in the description box of this video. As I have told you, the coupon code is GPE Pro, and right now 50% of deal is going on. Okay, so with that, your price per class is around ₹7 or less than ₹7, if I must say, if you are attending say around 5 classes per day. So a very good deal right now. I would suggest that if you can afford this much, better to take it. Okay, it is surely going to be beneficial for you all. So this is all beta in today's class. Thank you so much for joining the session, and I'll see you soon in the next class. So till then, bye bye, sayonara, khuda hafiz to all of you. Bye bye.